Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the properties of HCF and LCM of given numbers. First property is HCF of two co-prime numbers is always equal to 1. For example, 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers. We don't have any common factor in between them, so the highest common factor is also equals to 1. Second property is LCM of two co-primes is equal to their product. So common multiple, least common multiple of two co-prime numbers is their product. Third property is HCF of given numbers is not greater than any of the given number. For example, if I find HCF of 2 and 4, then HCF of 2 and 4 can never be greater than 2 nor greater than 4. So HCF is always less than or equals to 4. Then fourth property is HCF of two numbers is the smaller number if the smaller number is a factor of the other number. For example, if I find HCF of 16 and 32, clearly 16 is a factor of 32. It means smaller number is a factor of the bigger number. So I will say 16 is the HCF of these two numbers. Next property is LCM of two numbers is the greater number if one of the numbers is a multiple of the other number. For example, again if I find LCM of 16 and 32. Now clearly 32 is a multiple of 16, or I can say 16 is a factor of 32. So LCM of these two numbers will be 32. Sixth property is HCF into LCM of two numbers is equal to the product of the numbers. For example, HCF of 24 and 40 is 8 and LCM is 120. Now if I multiply HCF and LCM, the answer is 960. Again, if I multiply the numbers are 24 and 40, answer is again same, 960. It means HCF into LCM is always equal to the product of numbers. Next, the questions related to the topic are, first question, the HCF and LCM of two numbers are 5 and 280 respectively. If one number is 35, find the other number. We know the property HCF into LCM is equal to product of the numbers. Now HCF is 5, LCM is 280, the first number is 35 and the other number that we want to find. Now 5 into 280 is 1400 is equal to 35 into other number. So other number is 1400 over 35. So when I will simplify this, I will get 40. So other number is 40. Next question is, the product of two numbers is 2560 and their LCM is 320. Find their HCF. Now we know HCF into LCM is equal to the product of numbers. HCF we want to find, LCM is 320 and product of the numbers is 2560. So HCF is 2560 divided by 320, or in the simplest form I will get an 8. So HCF is 8. Next question, can two numbers have 16 as their HCF and 130 as their LCM? Give reason. The answer is no. Why? Because if I divide 130 with 16, the answer is 65 by 8. It means 16 is not a factor of 130. As we have done in the property that if one number is the factor of the other number, then only we can say that is the LCM. So we cannot have two numbers having 16 as the LCM and HCF and 130 as their LCM. Next is, find HCF and LCM of 24 and 7 orally. As we know, 24 and 7 are co-prime numbers, and we have done in the properties if two numbers are co-primes, then the HCF is 1 and LCM is the product of the numbers. So HCF is 1 and LCM is 24 multiplied by 7, that is 168. Next question is, find LCM of given numbers orally, 12 and 60. Now you can clearly see that 12 is a factor of 60. Now if this one number is a factor of the other number, the LCM is always the bigger number. So LCM is 60. Next question for your homework is, the HCF of two numbers is 16 and their product is 3072. Find their LCM. Now I want to discuss the homework solution that I gave you yesterday. The question was, determine the smallest number which when divided by 16, 28, 40 and 77 leaves 7 as remainder in each case. Now smallest number divided by these numbers means we have to find LCM of these numbers. Smallest number divided by these numbers. It means we want to find the common multiple of these numbers. So let us find the LCM. 2 8s are 16, then 2 14s are 28, 2 20s are 40, and 77 will remain as it is. So again 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 40, 14, 2 10s are 20, and 77 will remain same. Again 2 2s are 4, 7 as it is, 2 5s are 10, and 77 as it is. Again 2 1s are 2, 7 5, and 77 as it is. Next 5 1s are 5, then again 7 1s are 7, and 7 11s are 77. Again 11 1s are 11. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 11, that is 6160. Now there was a condition in the question that always 7 is the remainder in each case. So if 7 is the remainder, I want to find the number that is divided by these numbers exactly. So what I have to do, LCM when divided by these numbers leave 7 as remainder. So the number exactly divisible will be when I will add 7 to this LCM. So the answer is 6167. And there was a question yesterday. Here the quotient is 8888. It is written 3333, but it is 8888. 120 into 8 is 960. So this is 8888. Thank you. Have a nice day.